relax.
Oh God, what happened? Oh no.
29.
What you do?
Ninth is the 29.
I
Roach and
hit one of the number keys on the number pad.
Of course you fucking did.
We're focusing on NCD and the other guy coming out of turn 2.
All right, a couple keys that I
Coming
have
out of
here.
turn 2.
Notes are
Yeah.
are some of the best strategies.
Well, if an easier is like if you go forward and then you hit when they hit like the start
I'll
line.
wait until they cross the finish line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many times?
I was fucking keyboard.
In case an accident.
Oh, I've done that.
And speaking of accident,
Because you know, like, oh, there's a piece of dust on there. Let me just clean it. Oh, now I'm lost.
What the fuck?
What?
Imagine doing that during a premiere.
Yes, keyboard. All right, pause it as they're
I guess
crossing.
it's like a reflex.
Don't hold back.
I crossed it as they're
I
starting.
mean, I guess.
As they're starting, okay, as they're getting to the line. So we're still in 3.
Cool.
You guys have a couple trucks in this race. I'd keep an eye on
Mello's car start or truck is starting 10.
and
Right,
What else
look
my
at it.
truck?
advice from these truck drivers and see how that could play out for your
Their
There's
trucks, yeah.
Bile. He's,
I see the truck.
Absolutely, always a time to learn.
Porker
always
is
a
that?
time to
He's on the
So the
highs.
trucks
Oh
are
my God.
coming
There are
out
two
of
similar
the
paint
race.
schemes.
Truck will hit pit
Oh yeah,
lane
there's
here
2
shortly.
Coca-Cola cars,
These
I think.
boys are gonna go
No, the
racing. They're gonna
two
follow right
like
now.
same
They're
paint scheme
leading
bases.
down
I
to
think the
line
other
to
one was the
restart
25
zone.
Okay.
And
of
Alright, we're
Super.
coming to the line, Conrail.
green flag is out.
Now.
Cool.
24
Grant
24
and
laps,
NCD
okay.
Side by side as they exit the tri-oval and head to
Oh,
one.
because this.
Already
Hold
fanning
on.
out a little bit in the back there. That
Oh,
bottom lane, from my
no.
previous experiences, has always been the preferred lane. So, as expected there, Grant is going to take the lead into 153 of Carson's going to hope to follow through as NCD is up there on the outside with Casper Hamilton behind him. See these guys starting to stack up a little bit, starting to get a little push. Oh, wow, Roach is going to go
Of
3 wide
course,
there
Roach is the
underneath
one that
Cosmic
pulls
Ski.
out.
Kinda risky, but
Says,
hey,
screw
It
you, the
certainly
ski.
is, but I've seen them run 3 wide. They can do it. As whoa, Bowman goes way wide there. He's going to let the 99 get underneath of him.
Already 3 wide before
Wow,
the
Grant
first
went up the
lap.
track, and Carson's
complete.
actually taking the lead. 153 is going to lead lap
Oh,
1
no.
here, it seems.
No.
Yes, he
Guys,
does.
theoretically, these trucks
Lap
have been
one.
on short tracks only. This is the first seen them on like Daytona.
Now he drifts up the
This is
track
when they
here,
pass
comes
away.
Snyder underneath.
Oh God,
Forward
Jack.
lead with Roach
Oh
pushing
God,
him.
no!
Wow.
Don't let the child
Snyder's
win.
Leaving some room open on that
Don't let the
Bruh,
child
sorry.
and the poop schemes in the
You
front.
don't really want to do that. That is going to cause someone to get hooked.
that's right.
At least that roach scheme is better than all the other ones that I've
This
seen.
bottom lane is really not organized. They're kind of in the
Not
middle.
where the
Some
number
are
is on the
strong,
right
some are
side.
three wide, some are side by
Oh.
side. That is not how you're fast, but Snyder's still holding them out front.
Unless Roach, he could get a
Does Soggy own the 4?
entry off of the
Yes.
corner.
There he is.
Okay.
Right, actually, right now.
Yep, going to the inside. Will he lead the lap? He will not. Snyder leads the lap, but Roach is there. Roach will take the lead here into 1, I would assume. Oh, unless Rosenboom has something to say about it.
Rosaboom, here he comes.
3 wide into 1. How about that?
And Roach currently does not have help. Well, now he does. Kenneth Grant, the 53, coming to the end.
Oh, there they go.
Wow,
They're
they
gonna
got
guy.
really
There,
stacked
yep,
up
there they
there
go.
Oh.
Someone's around.
Oh,
Oh, of course it's
54
Bile.
Of Neo.
there they go.
And
Oh.
Wrecking in the back. There's the 36.
God,
Last week's
what in
winner
the
is the 08 of Porker
Oh,
going
poor
around.
Porker got it.
Oh, man.
And caution flag is out. Looks like that was a simple, harmless. spin.
Tragic.
Looks like they'll be able to keep racing.
And I like
It looks like
Bile,
the
so that's
55
tragic for me
of
too.
Penning is going to lead them back to the line.
Oh, man.
Look at that, 3 wide at the line. But a spin for last week's
So,
winner, the 36 of
mm.
Jerry Chin, the 54 of Neo, and the 08 of
Oh, he's in
Porter.
Office Depot. Never
We'll have
mind.
to go
Nah,
Yeah.
back and see what
Coca-Cola
happened
like
there
I
as they
thought
came
he
off
was
the
in.
2 and got bunched up.
No, I
So
don't.
I saw that coming
Yeah,
from a
number
mile. It looked
44
like
here,
Mello's
Caden Bishop. You see
came.
the 37
Oh,
of Roberto
no, never
sends
mind.
it in there. They're now 4 wide. The 37,
Bile
the
is
54, the
stuck.
44, and the 94. Neo and Bishop still rubbing doors, and they're gonna rub doors all the way to the wall there. And then Neo just gets.
Okay, Bile. That was kind of you, buddy.
Wow, the
Yeah, and
54,
Porker
Neo
gets
almost
clipped
had it
at the
saved and
last
came back
second.
down into the 42. That sent these
I
other
was
guys around.
commentating. I pointed it out and I got sad.
It became a
Luckily, like I said, looks
truck
like
wreck
these
into
guys
like an
don't
8
have
truck
much
wreck.
damage, so it looks like they're
Yeah.
gonna keep going.
I basically felt like Darrell Waltrip when he saw
That racing was great
Mike
right before that
Waltrip wrecking out in
caution. You'll see the 54 there
qualifying.
will lead 'em back to the line.
Oh, yeah.
2007. Yeah, that's how it felt like.
Here we are, lap 7 of 24 here in the DQ Blizzard at Daytona. The 68 NCD, the points leader, has retired from
What?
the race. As you can see there, the reason says tire.
What?
Not exactly
See,
sure
what?
all that
What?
entails, but the points
I
leader
know.
is out of this race after starting on the
NCD
front
is
row.
gonna.
That is surely going to shake some things
Nowhere
up.
near the wreck, and he's out.
Well, as the trucks are single file here with the 55 of Penning
And
out
they don't even
front,
get. They don't even
this truck
eat
is gonna pull
before
here into
the
pit
cars
road,
went to the garage.
and 55 Penny's going to lead them.
Yeah. None of the
Well,
cars.
that's gonna
Watch
make the
out there,
points look
back
like
in the
anus.
back,
They
about
don't even need.
maybe
They
about
don't
10th back or
have
so.
the extra
They
couple
will
spots they
jump
would have.
down to that bottom in a heartbeat and start making it double file. 55 into the restart zone. Green
Oh,
flag
boy.
is out. Penning will lead them back.
Green
8 of
flag.
24, we're back under green. Saw Anthony back there in fourth pull out, but he got back in line. There's Caden Bishop, and there's the 66 pulling out. 66
Oh
going for the lead.
no.
Wait,
Here comes.
weren't they just
There's
behind the
Anthony.
pace truck?
Wow, they got split real
They
quick.
were. Pace truck that went off.
Everybody
Oh.
wants position.
Okay, I left the room for a second, and now they're
66
racing again.
of
Well, we're
Shula
starting to.
is gonna
I
take
don't
the
think there was
lead
any pit
down
stops because
back.
usually when there are pit stops, we just
As long as
edit it
26
like
doesn't
straight to
jump
the
in
next
the
spot.
bottom. Well, actually, no, Penning's holding it on the top of it.
Basically like SRX, but
Joshua
laps.
avenging
Usually
for his
isn't the way to
teammate.
go, but I've seen some drivers be able to make
I
it
thought
work.
someone said it was a 36
You
lap
know what
race.
I think it is? I think it's Keith.
Nah,
who
it's
has
24.
had experience racing here last season in the POG series.
That's right. Keith was in the POG series in the main race here as Shua gets sent to the middle with no help.
3 wide.
oh god,
Keith goes
Keith's
to the
up
bottom to
there.
hit Shua.
I thought we kicked him
Cars
out.
get kicked out of line.
He's
but he's
there.
in
He's
trucks.
192.
Led the lap, but is the
He's
26
pushing
and
Joshua in the
he's out front now,
66.
being pushed by TNKO.
This man went from 69 to 92.
Mm-hmm.
There's Rosenboom behind him. And there's Snyder. Snyder coming back up to the front.
Oh no.
47 ducks.
He's gonna go up.
26
He's gonna
looks
get
for the
tagged. They're
lead.
gonna bumper lock
Rosenboom gonna go to
the
the middle.
entire
That
field.
usually doesn't work out.
Why is there a Mercedes truck? Mercedes
The, manufacturer teammates.
Because it's the
Mercedes
POG
last
Super Truck Division.
31.
So we said,
Is
why
that
not?
Carl Edwards out there?
they make pickups, but they're
Zero
just
two?
At least it's not the fucking Tesla Cybertrucks.
That is true.
Dude, I
Fucking-
wish that was in POC series.
That'll be
That
fat.
sounds so. That sounds so funny. Just like the Tesla Super. You know what? I'm gonna explain me.
No,
Dude,
go
the
tell
fucking
Vuko
cars.
and do that for Bolt Car. Make Bolt Truck and just everyone ride a fucking Cybertruck.
They look like fucking mini fridges. They look like my fucking fridge with the stainless steel exterior. Look at the
Armor
look at the
Ridge
door.
Racing.
Yes, Bolt Truck will be just Tesla Cybertrucks. Do it, Vuko. I know you're gonna be watching this video. Do it.
Still side by side for the lead.
Dude, that
Snyder
actually
looks to
sounds
clear
funny as hell to
TNKO
get like
off
these
of four,
Tesla
but
trucks
here
in
comes
car.
U2 down
All
the
these
line.
Cybertrucks
Because
with
they'll easily ramp over each other because they're
At the
basically
line.
variable ramps.
Wow, I think it was
Could you
41.
imagine
Snyder
Cybertrucks
led
with
the
sponsorship and paint schemes?
Oh
Honestly,
no!
underneath
they'd
that.
all be the fucking stainless steel exterior, and then with just a black decal on it for whatever sponsor.
Yeah.
And the number
Every
number
truck
is Times New Roman.
a black number. Yeah.
It's Times New Roman, it's black.
Everyone's going to be pushing to the front, trying to get up here at the front, and be there at the end.
Or because
Three
Vuko's
wide,
Vuko, he'll have like numbers
Sure
instead
are.
be letters. and
Nobody
Vuko
really
will
has
be-
Oh
the
my,
41
no.
have someone do this
Vuko,
with
do
the
not do that
ball.
shit.
The 99 doesn't. But here comes Nixon.
Please.
Well, now that I said he's probably gonna do it.
If he doesn't, I'm gonna be mad.
Oh my goodness, they're gonna be 4 wide.
4? Oh no!
Wow.
Oh, that's gonna get tight.
Adam, you got a little hype there, buddy.
I know,
That was-
cause I
that
knew
was
very.
close.
I
That
thought
had
I
not
knew
been
they were
great
gonna
work.
wreck.
Nixon is
Dude,
gonna take
4
the
wide
lead
was insane.
on the bottom lane. The number 21.
There's
the lead
there's
for the
Mel's
first time
truck.
tonight.
Caden Bishop's up there
And here
again.
comes Grant. Grant, your pole sitter's coming back. 21 Chevrolet, designed by NCD, is leading them
Oh,
down the back.
Nixon's leading.
He
Okay.
has got all lanes clear. Will Grant stuff it in there?
Grant.
Not clear.
Oh, he might actually.
Yes, he
might
will.
actually have a run here. There he goes.
Not clear.
Side by side out of 4. Grant and Nixon coming to the line. Looks like Grant's going to lead it. He sure is. 53 back to the point.
Keep an eye on that 23. Hunter Walker, though. He could look in.
For sure. And there's Caden Bishop, who's involved
There's
in that
truck.
accident.
I see that Reddit
Here he is,
machine.
running third in line on the bottom.
Oh,
There
goodbye.
he is.
There goes
Pulls the
Hunter
bottom,
Walker.
Number 23 of Hunter Walker.
Chilling thrill. I raced against him.
Side by side
You know,
down the back. With Caden Bishop behind.
Stole
the
my
23.
paint scheme.
The lone Honda in
And
the
sponsor.
field was involved in
Mhm.
the wreck and is now
He's part of the
second
Coca-Cola
in line,
family.
and I assume he's gonna look
There's
for
only
the
2 of us in the
24.
Coca-Cola family. Well,
Yes, he is. Goes to the bottom.
I'd count my brother David in it because he has a
Well,
Coca-Cola.
yeah, David technically counts too. Oh, God.
Because he has a
terrible.
Coke scheme
Hunter Walker
tomorrow.
Is your leader,
Yeah.
but Caden Bishop is on the bottom, and he's gonna have the.
How did
preferred
Porter
lane.
get back up there?
I don't know, but
wrecked.
you love to see it.
Was too late in that move.
We got Mello's truck, your truck, my truck.
Walker was also involved in that wreck. This
Wow,
coming
Oh
Make-
no, here comes
He was
Inspect.
lost the draft.
All the
Yes, Aaron
boys
Porter
getting a
coming up to
chance
the
at the
back
win
with Caden
tonight
Bishop. Both of
as
those were
team
involved
owners.
in that one accident.
But yeah, you mentioned it. I think the field might catch Neil before the end of this race.
Oh God, oh
He is
no. Bile's
in
gonna cause a
travel, and they are in.
because he's so off the pace.
So, I think it's possible.
Looks anywhere like that.
We're gonna be coming to the line here with 10 laps to go.
Oh, who's won?
Oh no, who's that? Someone's blown up at the back.
Oh,
That is
I think that's the 48.
J Hope.
It is.
Oh,
It's the 48
no.
of
Poor
J-Hope.
J-Hope.
He has blown up.
Yeah, I felt
Here with 10 laps
sad.
to go at Daytona.
such a shame.
I feel bad for him.
I thought that was that
He
weird
is
Carl
still
Edwards
the
02.
44
Oh
in
no.
23.
Dude, I dread the moment when they catch
44's not been able to
that's
clear
gonna
the
be
23 of Hunter Walker.
pure
Look
insect.
at the 23 holding his
Oh
ground.
no.
Oh boy,
Insect.
they're gonna.
What?
they're
It's gonna be like
catch
like
this
Taco
truck.
at Daytona
They're gonna
all over
catch
again.
Neo.
Oh,
That is gonna mess. some
I
things
remember
up.
that. That was
I
a
was
2
so
years in
mad.
row,
That was a
so mad.
yes,
Shane
because you
was
were
the
leading
lap car.
and you got
And
We saw it
that
happen
was when we
with
had like
the
everyone in
entire
here.
Pog
We were doing the
series.
humming.
Fucking
Neo,
everyone,
one of the guys out
including
front right now.
Including
Hayden,
Garth.
Taco, and Garth
Oh yeah, they're catching him.
for a fucking NR race. That was wild.
Garth
Caden
Brooks.
Bishop will lead the line.
That
9 laps
that
to go.
reactions lives in dynasty of the best reactions.
It lives in bod slash
even
pog
though-
infamy.
Even though there was no cautions in that
It is
race.
wild.
Yeah,
This
we
is
don't care.
not
We
able
still
to
had a
pass
good
each
time
other.
watching it.
Hunter Walker
Yep.
stands strong on that
Ooh,
outside.
I like that
First time
cat
tonight
truck.
we've
That
seen
looks good.
Outside, hang out.
Yeah, I
there.
really
And
like the
there
paint
is
scheme.
No,
Neo.
they're-
It looks
He
like the
is
truck I
not
ran in
far.
fucking NASCAR Heat
That
2 is
truck
my
is so off the pace.
scheme.
Approach him before the end of
I
the
can't
It's
wait.
it's the same like style.
I feel like you're right. They are coming
Oh,
hard
no.
at him.
This is good. Oh
wow.
no, it's gonna be in the trial too. We're gonna get
They
another
are
awesome.
catching him quick. What's gonna happen here?
Oh no,
Someone-
here we go.
What is he
Oh,
doing?
he gets the 44.
Oh no, he gets into the
They saved it.
apron, but he saved it.
How
They saved
the
it.
hell
Funny.
did they
That
all save
destroyed
it?
the
There was at
bottom
least a
line,
2 or
though.
3 second delay to my
Hunter
reaction.
Walker's now going to take the lead. That destroyed the bottom line, but I'm surprised that
What?
didn't destroy the 44.
Destroyed the bottom line like a night at Taco Bell.
Daniel Lumet underneath the 44. He and Nixon have a run. That is a big gap to the 23.
He's tied with
Yeah,
NCD in the points before this race. This could be helping him in the points.
And with NCD out of the race, that is
Wait a
certainly the
minute.
case, as Caden Bishop
There's gonna be
on a
no
run
penalty.
underneath the 23.
Is that because he was forced to be on the line?
This is NR.
It's coming though.
And it's
They had
also
quite the
NR.
draft. They're gonna
Yeah.
have quite
There's
the run
like
up
2
here in the
rules
back.
in NR.
True.
Caden Bishop to the
And
lead.
it's pit crash, throw caution. If speeding on pit road, get a
Behind him,
cut.
and there's Jerry Chin, Salem winner, running third right now.
As if the AI
Lumet
ever
goes to
speed
the
down
bottom.
pit road.
Loomis said, "I want that
Ricochet's
point
crew did.
and I want that race."
Speed.
But here comes Apu back to him.
Well, no, they didn't. They just
Jerry
missed a
Chen
bunch.
didn't go with him, but here comes Apu in the
Wow,
99.
he had such a run off. of
Peanut
two.
pedal on.
Oh, he might actually
Is that how you say it?
here. Oh, He's thinking about it.
From The Simpsons?
Yeah, that's the last name for fucking
Oh,
Apu and Pog truck.
It's Apu Pasapita Pedalon, I think is how you
I'm gonna forget. I was
Yeah,
thinking
I'm gonna
about.
forget too because I saw that name. I'm like, I'm not gonna be able to get that.
I was.
Is this fucking Apu from The Simpsons in this series?
I guess so. Well, now I'm knowing.
That's pretty funny.
I was thinking about wanting to say the last name, but
Oh no.
that's when I saw.
It's
Hell no.
it's Pasapita Pedalon. That's what.
Okay, we have it in
Oh,
a.
just went up the racetrack.
We have it on audio, so I'll remember.
Where the hell did that 2 come from?
I thought Apu was gonna clear.
I don't know, but the pack caught up.
The cat truck has come out of nowhere.
Here comes the 2 of Holmquist, currently last in points. A win would be big for that truck.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah,
He's gonna do it.
Oh my god. I think I might know where this is going.
There's the other Mercedes, Lil Dicky.
If NCD finishes last, then that means the guy in last in points is going to be the one that wins this race. Don't say anything because I want to find out myself.
I wasn't even going to.
Yeah, I think you're smart enough to know that I don't want words.
Yeah, no, I don't spoil shit.
Holmquist is out front, but the 14 is looking underneath him.
That's gonna be used against me.
Oh no, that's Hugo's brother in that 14. I just remembered that.
Lil Dicky.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Lil Dicky.
He has a stupid fucking name. Why in Pog series would you ever put Lil Dicky?
Maybe that's his name.
Sounds like a fucking jeans company.
That's the fucking rapper.
It's Lil Debbie.
Kids version of
It's the fucking rapper. Hi, I'm Dave.
What?
What did you do that for? Wait a minute.
That's fucking Lil Dicky's TV show.
Uh,
Literally, his name is a rapper. Now, I hope I'm not wrong, and his name is actually Big Dicky or some shit like that. Slim Dicky.
Limp Dicky. Oh my god. That's his new name.
Tiny Dicky in the 14.
I love Limp Dicky better.
That's Limp Dicky in the 14. That's canon.
Say Limp Dicky.
Yeah. I thought so.
The beautiful Caterpillar Toyota designed by NCD is out front here at Daytona.
3 to go.
3 laps to go.
3 to go.
Can anyone make it to the front?
The 11 is certainly trying.
Oh, that save has to be save of the year. There's no question.
That was such a smart move right
That was a veteran move.
And
Ski, oh my, no way. Ski.
Turn 2.
He won't. If he wins this race, man, if he does, he won't let this down infamy.
That helped a lot. The 11 of Cosmic Sea is
It's going to say skidding, and then in parentheses, I won!
Gonna take it 3 wide for second.
Yep, Roach is going to try to get underneath.
Oh, no.
They're 4 wide back there.
No. Yeah, they are 4 wide back there.
4 wide back in the pack.
4 wide.
It looks like
I
they're
gotta
gonna
take a
work it
fat
out.
shit.
Cosmic Sea is still your
There's
leader.
only 2 more laps.
2 to go.
Don't worry,
I know.
Conrail.
I gotta hold it.
Oh, road.
Oh, here comes Poop Truck.
29 of Roach on the bottom looks to take the lead here late with
It's
TNK
like that weird
him
Dorito
and
nacho
Daniel Bowman
cheese
behind him.
That's
butter
so
scheme.
Yeah, that's fucking
29
Little
Roach is
Caesars.
leader down the back. Does anyone have anything?
I
Here
mean,
goes TNK.
Poop and Little Caesars are one and the same.
You're right.
Yes.
You're right. No one can.
Little Caesars is
Disagree.
the worst.
Into 3, 29 and
Yeah.
47.
Yeah, it is pretty bad.
And who'd have thought Poop Pizza goes with Poop Paint Scheme?
Come out of 4.
Oh, TNKO with the abomination of a fucking number font with a paint scheme
White
combo.
flag.
All right.
It was TNKO who led it, but here comes Daniel Bowman.
Daniel Bowman, long lost cousin of Alex Bowman.
Oh man.
He go for his second win.
Oh my
Daniel
God.
Bowman.
Layer underneath of him.
The 42.
Bowman in that new Miami Marlin scheme is leading all.
Dumb
Oh,
Mustang.
boy.
Here comes the 42 on the bottom.
I love the name Dumb Mustang.
Dumb Mustang.
Literally the baby, but in racing form.
No freaking way. No freaking way!
Oh no.
No, this is not gonna end well.
Oh,
That's
my Lord.
impossible!
Shua looks to the
Hey, I
ball.
was about to say
Daniel
that,
Bowman
Adam
getting
Garcia
blocked.
from the
Here comes
past.
the 66.
Oh my
The
god.
66 of Shua has
Three,
the push. Does he have it
three.
at the line?
Oh, it's gonna be close.
Here they come!
It's
Oh,
gonna be
you
a
got it.
photo finish.
You got it.
The 94
Shua.
won that, right?
The 94? Oh my
No, it's Bowman.
god.
Daniel Bowman will win it.
Oh, Daniel Bowman.
Daniel Bowman in the 94 will win it here at
Notice how it said,
Daytona.
"Oh, Daniel Bowman." That's because I literally
Came back
fucking
as the 66
got
at
surprised
first, but
by
it is the
hearing that Daniel Bowman
94.
actually won when that initial angle showed Joshua.
Oh, sorry, we gotta close down Daytona now.
Almost had it.
What a run to the line. That was awesome.
Okay,
Anthony
it
in
said
third,
0-0-0.
Dakota
What was
Lair
the
in
margin of
fourth,
victory?
Jackson Snyder
2
in
1,000ths of a
fifth,
second.
the Mustang in
Victory.
sixth,
Two? Oh my.
Roberto in seventh, Ski in eighth.
It's
Team
officially
Dale
the
in
closest
ninth,
finish in
and the
POG
25
history.
of Super. Daniel Bowman's
Oh,
teammate
Melo's
will
so
round out
mad.
the top
Melo's
10.
so mad.
What a
Pretty
race
Because
at
that was his
Daytona.
truck that
was
got
awesome.
screwed.
Yes, it was. Oh my gosh. What a
We'll take a dump.
awesome. Oh, and they get
And they're wrecking
42
all
gets
they're
turned.
after the flag.
What are they doing?
Celebratory wrecking.
Oh man.
Oh
man.
wow. Oh my
Hard
god,
hits
just
there.
stop.
What are they
It's
doing?
over. Let the torture end.
At least my truck didn't wreck.
That's not how you end the race.
Come on, guys. It's the end of the race. You can't be tearing up trucks.
Adam. We can't be tearing our trucks apart after the
Congratulations,
race.
though, to the number 94,
I just said that randomly, and then
winning the race.
Lamy
That
just
was
caught onto that and
wild.
added to
And I
that. That's
take
not how
look
you
at
end a
the
race,
replay
boys.
there Of that finish, I couldn't tell who won that.
Okay.
Here we are looking at Daniel Bowman on the final lap.
Literally.
See him blocking all lanes there in the middle. Here comes the
I-
42 up to the inside.
So,
Down the back.
okay.
There you go. I thought the
NCD's
42
drivers
had
gonna
it, but
peak.
Shua had other ideas. 42 moved up
And-
into the 33. They started
Oh, they
open
should have
doors, but
wrecked
Shua said, "Hey, that
coming
bottom
into
looks
3.
pretty
I
nice."
honestly
He's gonna
thought
take
I
it
was just
single
waiting for them to
wide.
wreck.
Wide into
Four.
the lead for a second. That
But
was wild.
TNKO was
I thought
obviously
Shua had it here.
losing a
Shua
lot
had
of
the
ground,
run, was
so.
already on his
And
score.
then,
But look at the 26 there of Anthony. He's going to look to the inside of the 66.
oh my god.
Here they come. to
3.
the
That
line.
that was colleague.
Oh. So close.
Oh wow.
You could look back at it,
There
and the score.
Always
Yeah,
there
that's how
is
close it
the
is.
margin between the 94 of Bowman and the
You can look
66
back at
of
the
Shua.
moment of finish on the scoreboard. It literally said the 66 was like first for a split second, and then it came back to 94.
History, but Daniel Bowman will take the win.
But yeah, that was
off
fucking
very
goated.
close finish.
Wow.
That was wild. Adam, do you
That
have any
finish
thoughts about this
was insanity.
I'm at a loss for words because my goodness, this was an awesome, awesome race. So many drivers at the
Oh.
close action, really wide throughout.
I
the
was at
track.
a loss first because it was so crazy.
It was just
Dude, I'm at a loss for words.
And I'm just
That
glad
was
I up
freaking
here to
cool.
watch this live.
I
Thank
know.
you for joining me. This was
won the
awesome.
race?
I appreciate you being up.
What?
You were a great addition.
Who won the race?
Hopefully we can
Daniel
94
Bowman
truck.
in the 94 truck.
Let's see.
Hey, yeah, I agree. And you know, I hope to take
Where'd
what
Keith's
I saw
finish?
tonight,
For sure.
tomorrow night.
Shit, we have to look back,
For sure. I hope
I'll
we do
look
the
back.
Same thing in the 26. But
but he didn't wreck
that
out
was
or anything.
Daytona. We're gonna put
He-
up points here. and see
yeah,
what
he
that
didn't
run
wreck.
for
He
Daniel Bowman did
finished
and see how far up he moved in the points.
22nd.
Fuck me.
It was an awesome race, though.
Was NCD lost 16 positions in the points.
Wait, 21 Master is the team owner of that 94?
Is he really?
He said in the POG series Discord, I'm an owner winner.
Thank you for watching the DQ Blizzard in Daytona here from Daytona International.
VL94, good for him. That was
The
pretty cool.
series will take a week
Let me
off
verify.
before they return to Southern National for the Verizon 5G, now in Southern National. That's going to be another fun race. It's another short track. But this has been Daytona. Congrats to Daniel Bowman on the win. Thank you, Adam Garcia, for joining me here in the booth. And
Damn, Melo
catch you in
certainly
Southern National. Thanks for
being a
watching.
bad team owner by saying he wants his truck
He's
to
so
put the other
mad.
truck at the catchments.
He's
Oh shit.
so mad. I need to go back and watch that save because that was ridiculous.
Nixon.
What did Nixon say? Woo, nearly dead last again.
I had a blast commentating this race.
Rest in peace for NCD though.
Yeah,
He lost 16 positions in the points.
Was there a big one or something?
No, he blew a tire and it ended his race.
Oh, no, there was not a big one. It was like
It was a small one.
Yeah, basically.
But yeah, it wasn't the worst.
It's not like the where is it? Fuck, wrong chat. It's not like the clean sweep. Although that would have been crazy though.